Hey guys, back with another Christmas DIY. So I finished decorating my house, but this was sticking out like a sore thumb. So I wanted to make it more Christmassy, and so I just took it down and I bought some white glitter wrapping paper from Walmart for like $5.98. I ended up having to get 2 rolls because of how big my canvas was. My canvas is 40 by 40. So I bought 2 of these rolls from Walmart. It is a My Texas House brand and it's pretty thick. Nice and thick glitter white wrapping paper. So just size your canvas and figure out how much wrapping paper you'll need, and then you can go buy that. So I just cut it out, and then I'm literally just wrapping it like I would wrap a present. And I'm using tape because this is not going to be permanent. So I'm just using tape to attach the wrapping paper to the canvas. So I have my first piece on, and then I have to use the second roll for the other piece. And basically I'm going to place this right at the edge. I don't want it to overlap. I'm just placing it right at the edge of where the other piece of wrapping paper stopped, and then I'm going to cut it out and start taping it to the canvas. I am just using packaging tape to secure it. I would suggest a thicker type of tape like packaging tape, and not the regular less adhesive tape. Okay, so now I have the wrapping paper on the entire canvas, and now I'm just going to go in with some ribbon that I purchased from Walmart as well. I bought 2 of these rolls from Walmart, and I'm just cutting it, and I'm going to place it right over that spot where you can see where I had the 2 different wrapping papers meet. I'm going to place it over that so that you can't see that, and I'm just hot gluing it to the back of the canvas. Okay, so now I'm going to go in again with that same ribbon adjacent to where I put the first piece, and just wrap it around the other end of the canvas and hot glue it just like we did the first one. Okay, so now to make the bow, I'm using 4 pieces of ribbon cut at 20 inches long. And this is the size that I decided. You can choose it to be larger or smaller. But all we're going to do is connect the end pieces by hot gluing them together. Okay, so once we have all the ends connected, I'm going to hot glue the first piece in the middle, and then we're going to take the second piece and go across it and hot glue that. And then you want to make sure you hot glue the inside of it as well so they stay in place. And then the next 2, we're going to do it a diagonal and hot glue them on in the opposite direction. Okay, for the middle piece, you're going to need to cut your ribbon at 10 inches or however long. I just did it half of what the other pieces were at. I had cut the longer pieces at 20, and this one is 10 inches. And you're just going to hot glue that to the center. And then I cut 2 more pieces of ribbon at 20 inches to make the tails. And then you're going to kind of set your bow on the top of it to get the actual place you want it to be at, and then you're going to hot glue those together, and then hot glue the bow onto the top of those 2 pieces of ribbon. Okay, now we're going to make the tail of the ribbon look a little more decorative, and fold the piece in half, and then cut at a diagonal to make your V cut ends. Now I'm just going to attach it to the canvas by hot gluing it to the ribbon that is already there. So now we're going to need to hot glue the bow ends, because as you can see, when we stand it up, if we're going to hang it up on the wall, it's going to be flopping. So all I'm doing here is just hot gluing those onto the ribbon so it'll stay in place when it's hung on the wall. And here it is, guys. It definitely looks a whole lot better, made the room look better. It doesn't stick out like a sore thumb anymore, and this was a very easy and quick DIY. Let me know what you guys think, and if you've tried this before, let me know down in the comments. And I thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you have not already done so.